how to make an obstacle avoidance car. So this is a simple circuit of how to make a car. So in the previous video we have already watched how the car is working, and this is a basic circuit how the car is working. Okay, so in this video now you can see we are using an ultrasonic sensor, and at the same time we are using an Arduino Uno, and also we are using a 9-volt battery, a motor driver, and also few buzzer and a few LEDs. The LEDs serve the purpose of an indication, which are a visual indication, while the buzzer is for the sound. So this sound actually gives us whether an obstacle is being in the path of the robot. So in this circuit now we can see the Arduino is connected to the ultrasonic sensor, and in this sensor now the trigger pin and echo pin are connected on A1 and A2, and at the same time the ground is connected to the breadboard's ground. So over here the motor driver is connected with the pin numbers like in1, in2, in3, in4 are connected to 13, 12, 11 and 10 respectively, and at the same time now the LEDs are connected to the pin numbers 7, 6 and 8. So and the 9 number pin is connected to the buzzer. So with this form now, according to the code, the logic is very simple. Whenever an obstacle comes under whenever the distance between the obstacle and the robot comes under 20, then automatically the robot first performs a sequence. First it goes backwards and then it starts to turn towards the left, and this turning can be programmed by you by your own choice, whatever turn you want to take. But most preferably if left turn is there now, it can be easy for anyone to make the robot, and this entire circuit is independent of a servo. So this is just a simple circuit, and if you want to add a servo you can also do that. And over here as you can see, the LEDs and buzzer are just an indication, while the motor driver over here which is used is an L298N H-bridge motor driver. So over here the connections have been made clear, and at the same time you guys can make this circuit at your home and also enjoy the result. Okay then.